Amid the easing of COVID-19 restrictions and the reopening of the economy, the Asian Development Bank sees the country's economic growth rate to climb to 7.4% this year, higher than its previous forecast. The Philippines is also expected to post one of the strongest economic growths in Southeast Asia this 2022, as we hear the full report from Naomi Tiburcio.
This store in Quezon City has improved sales in 2022. Far cry from the first year of the pandemic.
Medyo nakakabawi naman po. Mas maganda na rin po kasi medyo maluwag na po kumpara nung mga nakaraan po na pandemic. Yung galawan ng tao.
Due to the easing of the COVID-19 restrictions and the opening up of the economy, the Asian Development Bank says economic growth in the Philippines may be higher than expected in 2022. From their initial forecast of 6.5%, it increased to 7.4%. ADB said domestic demand and employment rate increased in the Philippines. The tourism sector has also continued to recover.
The drivers of growth this year and for next year clearly is the acceleration in the public infrastructure program that's placed the Philippines in a very good position to be able to maintain growth for the next 2 to 3 years.
And although Southeast Asia's GDP growth is expected to weaken, the Philippines economy will be one of the leaders in the region in 2022. However, high commodity prices are a threat to economic growth in 2023. This is why ADB lowered its forecast growth in 2023 to 6% from 6.3%.
If inflation remains elevated, it erodes purchasing power of consumers and feeds back into slower household spending and growth. But even 6% for next year is a very remarkable, will be a remarkable performance. And it's kind of close to its long run or potential growth rate.
For Philippines' economy to further grow, ADB says government investments in infrastructure projects should continue in the next 10 years in order to increase the number of employed Filipinos and lay the foundation for a stronger economy. Naomi Tiburcio for The Nation.